God, guys. Hi, guys. I know I'm kind of like staring on the window. I was kind of staring sa bintana kasi ang ganda ng view ng lake kasi may lake view dito. Hi, guys. Ako na naman to, si Rachel. I just wanna hop in dito para i-vlog yung journey ko. So, napaka-fresh pa, guys. Fresh na fresh pa. Yung chismis, balita. So, I just quit my job. After 8 months of working on this company, I finally decided to quit. Kung anong nakain ko, hindi ko alam. Ano lang, siguro kasi hindi na ako nag-grow. And it's really important for me na lagi kang nag-grow sa isang company. It doesn't serve your peace anymore. You know, napaka-importante sa akin yun. And hindi na siya life balance for me. Kasi mahirap siyang i-life balance. I was working third shift, night shift. And yeah, I've been working there for 8 months on that company. And it's really hard, you know, because I was a single mom. And syempre 10-hour shift, minsan nakakapagod din talaga siya. And isa pa dyan, pag ngayon summer, yung mga anak ko, may mga games sila, so you have to stay up. Minsan nakakatulog lang ako ng 3 hours, minsan pa nga wala talagang tulog. So alam mo yung patay-patay ka talaga sa trabaho. And that job is kind of like you know, gagamitin mo talaga yung utak mo because it's more on computer and more on physical. So parang both, you know, your brain and your body, talagang gamit na gamit talaga siya. And I have to deal with people because I was a lead. I got promoted when I was 2 months working there at that company, and they promote me as a lead. And I was so proud of myself. I'm so proud, you know, really proud of myself. And then, yun na nga, I get overwhelmed. But what happened is, nung Friday, yun yung Friday talaga na last na nag-decide ako na, kasi yung supervisor kasi is nag-leave siya ng 2 weeks. So, wala talaga siya. And I just wanna talk to him in the phone, you know. And nung Friday, ang ginawa ko, dinamdam ko lang talaga yung trabaho. And it was Friday. I bring some cookies para sa team ko. And it's not really surprising kasi ganun talaga din naman ako, nagdadala ako ng donut, cookies, or celebrating birthday, or you know, something like that to just give my team parang binibigyan ko sila ng appreciation, like na-appreciate ko sila sa ginagawa nila, lalo na pag alone ako, tinutulungan nila ako, and I really appreciate that. So kaya ganun ako, nagdadala ako ng donut pag weekend. And so yun, nagdala ako noon, and then naglinis ako ng desk ko, and then dinamdam ko lang talaga yung trabaho ko, yung pag-receive ng work. And I was just like the best mood I ever been. Like, alam mo yung napaka-positive ko lang nung day na yon. Yung sabi ko, I just wanna enjoy this last day of my work. Nag-walk through ako. Kasi usually nag-walk through ka sa lab. The whole lab, you have to look everything. And kung meron ba dong mga specimen. Kasi I was working in the lab, guys. And yun, ninamnam ko lang yung mga tao na nakakausap ko. It's not a good timing kasi Friday. Most of my team is wala doon kasi wala silang pasok pag Friday. But it's okay. They kind of sense na rin naman. So yun, guys, ninamnam ko lang talaga yung trabaho ko and all. And I clean up my desk, I clean up my cubby, tapos niremove ko na yung naalala ko, meron akong mga doon, yung mga maliliit na stuffed animals I give away sa co-worker ko, and he kind of sensed too. and kung ano yung nangyayari. But he respect me. He knows why I was leaving and all. And yun yung kabi ko, nilinisan ko na rin. Tapos, yung pag-alis ko, I tell a few friends, sinabihan ko sila na, you know, maybe this is the last time you will see me, and thank you so much for being nice to me. And that's what I did, you know. Yung mga close friend ko lang, yung parang sinabihan ko. Yung iba naman parang hindi naniniwala because they're still undenial ba. Pero yun na nga, paglabas ko sa sa lab, kasi tatanggalin mo yung lab coat and all, nilagay mo sa dirty linen, and then yung badge ko, iniwan ko siya dun sa sa locker ko. And then yung last time pala, nag-clock out muna ako, and then binalik ko yung badge ko dun sa locker ko kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng dalhin, kailangan mo siya i-return yung badge mo. And then yun, paglabas ko dun sa building, I feel so free. I feel happy, overwhelmed, although you know, I learned a lot on that company kahit sa 8 months pa lang na pagtatrabaho, but it was like grabe yung free yung feeling na napaka-risky kasi talaga ng ginawa ko. This is like the second risk that I did, you know. Syempre yung una is leaving my husband, like sa toxic relationship, leaving that toxic relationship, toxic environment, and almost 10 years din yon, and it was the first risk that I did. And you know, tapos lumipat sa ibang state. Ngayon naman I walk away on this job na alam mo yun, nagpro-provide sa amin, but it's okay. Pag meron ka pala talagang trust, meron kang pangarap, pag meron kang trust kay Lord na He will provide everything. Everything happened for a reason, and I trust in God that He will give me a lot of blessing and abundant, and I believe that 110%, because it happened to me, and there's a lot of miracle that happened to me as well in my life, and I'm so grateful about that. And wala ako sa state na yung takot ako. I did take a risk. Kung iisipin mo, nakakatakot siya, pero ewan ko lang, yun yung pinaka-calm na nangyari sa buhay ko. Na-calm lang ako na I know that I'll expect that everything is gonna be okay, you know, that kind of risk. And one thing din is gusto ko mag-focus sa mga anak ko. I want to spend more time with them kasi lumalaki na sila, and I'm raising them alone. So I'm not really alone because I have God, you know, but physically alone. I have to spend more time with them kasi lumalaki na nga sila. And yeah, and this is like, this is the risk that I did. Imagine. I'm so excited kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa buhay ko, sa amin. But one thing, I believe na everything happened for a reason. Everything is in a timing. And alam ko na siguro iniisip nyo, bakit ginawa mo yun? Bakit it just doesn't serve me anymore. Yung trabaho na hindi na ako nag-grow, ayoko nang patagalin pa na mag-spend ako ng another days or month. Kasi alam ko, yung tatahakin kong daan is much better. God prepare me for a better stuff, better things to happen, and I'm so excited. Siguro yun yung hino-hold on ko, na whatever happen, you know, I have God. I trust on Him. And I'm so happy that I did it. I did it just like a while ago, you know. I know nasasayangan sila because I did my best, you know. I did my best to that company. Nakita nila yung pagsisikap ko. That's why I got promoted. When I was working there for 2 months, I got promoted as a lab assistant lead. And I was so proud of myself on that day. And yeah, alam ko kung ano man yung magiging journey ko. I always do my best. I always do my best. And yun guys, yun yung update ko. And I'm so excited. Like today, I don't have work today. And I was in my calmest day. And my mind is so, you know, like ready sa new adventure. Basta excited lang talaga ako sa buhay. And we'll see. I will update you kung ano yung mga mangyayari and stuff. But yeah, I just want to vlog this to just remind me that it's okay. Sometimes it's okay to walk away. You know, kahit ano pa yan, kung hindi ka na happy, hindi ka na masaya, kailangan mong gawin kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Ano yung and you have peace. Yeah, it's okay. As long as you have God, you have trust on Him, then everything will be okay. Yun lang guys, yun lang yung wanna share. Yun lang yung gusto kong ma-share sa vlog na to. It's okay to walk away if it doesn't serve your peace, doesn't serve your value. You know, people won't value you, don't see your worth. And I'm into era na, damn, I don't have a standard before. I just learning that I have how much value I bring to the table, and I know my worth, and I know I'm able, I'm kind, I'm strong, I'm pretty, and yeah, hindi magiging mahirap sa akin ang lahat. Believe that the universe will provide for everything. Kung ano man yung tawag nyo, God or universe, whatever. Because I believe in the universe as well, like manifesting good things happen for a reason. And yun lang guys, thank you for listening to me. I really appreciate it. I just want to document my journey dito sa YouTube ko. And thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye! Mwah.